What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel because this is only like probably my second video, or this might just be my first video if my first video ever made it to YouTube, because it still has yet to make it to YouTube right now. I'm slacking. I'm going through some things in my life that I need to take care of first, you know? I'm pretty sure everybody knows what I'm saying, because, you know, we all got different lives, we all got different stories. But today, I am showing y'all what I personally like to do with my makeup when my hair is up in a bun and when we got this little mess right here in the front. And I am so sorry about this background being such a mess. This is my room. It was decorated when I was in like middle school, and yeah, it's a little bit childish in here, but it's gonna change like maybe after December. So if you guys do have any questions, I will be able to answer y'all. I will be reading like basically all the comments if there is any comments. Like and subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions. I will be listing all the materials that I used in this video. And also, I apologize for the camera quality. This is off my phone because I don't have the camera today. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Now it's time for me to put my hair up. Now I'm back with my hair in a bun. The first thing I'm gonna do is just take a clip and just clip all of this nice little bang slightly out my face. Now that we have our hair clipped up, we are gonna moisturize our lips with this lip oil that I got from, I know I bought this from Marshall's, but I don't remember like where it came from. We're gonna go with our trusty handy dandy rose water first and just spray my face. And now we're gonna go in with my Valjean Labs, the Glow Facial Serum. I actually just bought this not too long ago. Kind of looks a little bit gross, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go in with my primer. I'm using this NYX oil primer, Hydra Touch, so it's really hydrating. So it's good for my skin, good for non-oily skin. Now that we are primed and shiny, it's time to color correct under our eyes with the Peach color corrector. I'm gonna use Peach for under my eyes because I am very light skinned. I'm just pale. I'm gonna get a tan. Alright, so now we're actually gonna use this new foundation that I got from L'Oreal. This is supposed to be a 24-hour foundation. Maybe I will do a wear test at the end to see how good my foundations stay. Who knows? We're just gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna that should be enough. That should be enough, yeah. I'm gonna dot it on my face. At the moment, this foundation looks like it's my color, but I know it's gonna get like darker because it needs time to set. I don't know why, but I keep getting this itchy feeling. It's like a hair is on my face. But next, we're gonna go highlight under our eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Alright, now we're gonna spray. Now we're gonna set our face with my Too Faced powder. The cocoa powder that smells like cocoa powder, actually. Oh! What is wrong with this foundation? Is there hair in this foundation? You take a fluffy brush and just powder away. I think her skin looks pretty good though. It might just be my face today that my face feels funny. I don't know. But we're moving on to my eyebrows, or else we're never gonna get done. Of course, we're gonna brush out your eyebrows. And then we're gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow. And this is in the shade medium brown. When I have my hair up in a bun, I do like to make my eyebrows more bold, more like, oh, they're looking at you type of shit. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Benefits Eyebrow Contour Pro, or the Brow Contour Pro, in color. I think it's gonna be medium. I think it's medium light or like light dark or something like that. I don't know. I'll let y'all know later. But I'm only actually gonna use the highlighting shade to define their color, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna use my ring finger to just blend that out. So I'm gonna go back to my face. We're gonna actually contour now using the Benefits Hoola Mini contour thing. It's so cute. Comes with this little brush that I never used. Actually, I do use it for my nose contour because this is like perfect for it. Hi, Teddy. Say hi. Sleepy? Now we're gonna contour our nose. I'm just gonna use my hair. And now we're gonna take our LA Girl contour brush, just dip it in here a little bit. Okay, next, before we get anything done with our eyes, we're gonna bake. And we're gonna use this banana powder, Pro Powder Banana. We're gonna take a platform. We're actually just gonna take this box of like rollers. I don't know what these are called, but like these heatless curl things. That's what I did to my hair just to try out. It was my first time doing it. It was pretty cool. But I'm gonna use this box as a platform to put my powder on because I don't want to get up. So what I like to do to apply this, so I use this slightly smaller fluffy brush. You can see the difference. And these brushes actually came from Juvia's Place. Amazing eyeshadow palettes. And I just ordered 2 more eyeshadow palettes 2 days ago. I'm waiting for them to get here so I can make a new video on them. But anyways, we're gonna use this a slightly smaller fluffy brush to apply this banana powder. So for the bottom part, I just quickly apply it, the whole thing, and I'm gonna just quickly remove it. Next, we're gonna do our eyes. And before we do that, I'm just gonna take my concealer that I used earlier, ring finger, just a little bit, this much. Acts as like a primer for the eyes, because for some weird reason I don't own any eye primer. But eyes really depends on the day. I don't even know what I'll be wearing today just yet. Oh my god, I forgot to put my eyebrow gel on. I'm gonna put this on real quick. Just gonna go with like the more neutral colors. We're gonna go with our Modern Renaissance palettes. We are gonna use, I don't even know. We're actually gonna use this color right here first with a fluffy brush. Just gonna apply it all over the eyelid. You can go with like a flat eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go to my Huda Beauty Torps Obsessions. Is really a small eyeshadow palette with these cool colors. We're actually just gonna use this dark brown in here. We're just gonna tap it in the middle of my eyelid. We're gonna go back to this Modern Renaissance palette and go with the burnt orange. And we're just gonna blend. Same eyeshadow brush that we did the brown in. Go back to the Huda Torps palette. We're gonna use this orange right here. Not too much. I'm just gonna pat that in between that dark brown and that burnt orange blend to give it a little bit more color. Take my clean fluffy brush and just blend. Now using the same brush. Really only use 2 brushes today because who needs like 10 brushes? And we're gonna use the same brush and use that orange color right here and put it underneath our eyes. I'm just gonna use my big fluffy brush and brush all that baking away. Same brush, same eyeshadow brush. We're gonna go just one little dot and then put it in the center of the eye underneath. Now I'm gonna take a little tiny brush. Gonna use this nice gold color right here. Inner corner. Gotta brighten them. Okay. And we're gonna flip and use the other side of the brush and go back to the Modern Renaissance palette and go to this shimmery bright color right here. This is for your brow bone. Now that we're basically done, I'm gonna go in with this blush that I got from a friend that went to Japan to buy this. It's from Muji. Muji is it's like a Japanese company that makes like literally everything, and they're literally the best of everything. This is like a orangey peach blush, the little shimmer. Now that we are almost done, we're gonna line our bottom line. You don't really even need eyeliner, a cat eye for this, but I just want to do it. Just a little one though. Just a small one. Now we're gonna actually put on some lashes. Alright, lashes are on. Lashes though, they can make you look so beautiful when you're really not that beautiful. You know? Here's a little trick. Use a spoolie. If you ever get mascara on your face, use the spoolie and just brush it away. Now do I want to highlight? I think highlighting it won't be too much. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline 24-hour lasting liquid lipstick, Seductrice. Oh my god, now we're done with my face. We're gonna spray it off with some setting spray. This is just an LA Girl Pro setting spray. And I'm pretty sure I've had my foundation on for probably almost an hour now. It doesn't look bad, but I just have to be a little bit lighter because I have to powder my face so much. So right now it's about 4:50. So my foundation was probably on at like 4. So I'll be back later. I'm gonna let this down. It's okay now. It's not bad. It's just a little bit messy. I'm waiting for my bangs to grow back out because I cut it about 3 weeks ago. And you know, the first week it was fun and all, but now it's just really annoying. You know what I'm saying? Any of y'all ever had like bangs before and you cut it and you're just like, wow, I love it. Next week you're just like, I'm over it. That's me. right now, and I'm ready for them to grow back out. I can make some cool styles while they grow out and stuff. This is my look for my hair being up. Contour more. Honey. Yes, this is what I needed. I know this looks so unnatural, but like for some reason I love how unnatural it looks. But you know, if I'm going for like a more natural look, I'm not gonna contour like I am contouring right now. And that's me when I have a bun on. I just want my contour to be like, look as unnatural as it can. Yes, this is all contour because my face is fat, okay? Like, I can't help it but to love my extreme contour. Now I gotta spray it off again, make sure this contour stays. What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back home. It is right now 2:10 in the morning, and I just got home from hanging out with my friends and just checking up on my makeup. It's looking pretty good, like for the amount of hours that I've been wearing this, which is around like 10 hours because I put it on at like around like 4, so around like 10 hours. The only part that really like my foundation just really didn't last is like right here, because you know I was sniffling and shit, so that was coming off and stuff. But overall it's pretty good. My hair is a mess. Just don't look too closely. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned if you are watching this part of the video. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead to the bathroom and take all this makeup off so I can go straight to sleep. I'll see you next time.